Today we are going to make blink LEDs using variable project. Here we are using 5 LEDs, 5 1K ohm resistor, 1 breadboard, 1 Arduino Uno and a USB cable. First of all, place the LED on the breadboard in such a way that the cathode of the LED should be connected to the negative line of the breadboard. Now connect a 1K ohm resistor to the anode of each LEDs. Now take the Arduino board and with the help of a jumper wire, connect the other terminal of the 1K ohm resistor to pin 9 of the Arduino board. Similarly, connect other terminals of each resistor to the Arduino board pin 10 to pin 13. So we have connected all the 5 LEDs to the Arduino pin from pin number 9 to pin number 13. Now we will take another jumper wire and connect the negative line of the breadboard to the ground pin of the Arduino. Our connections are done. Now we will do the coding. Coding for blink LEDs using variable. First of all, open the Arduino IDE software. In this code, we are going to create variables and assign each LED to this variable. So first of all, write int and give the variable name as LED1. So here we have created a variable name as LED1 and its type is integer, and so we have given int LED and assigned this variable to the LED connected to pin 13. So write 13 here. We have created 5 variables and have assigned each LEDs to this variable. Now in the void setup function, we will declare all these LEDs as the output device. For that, use the pin mode function, and inside the pin mode bracket, instead of the pin number, give the name of the variable. We are first declaring the LED connected to pin 13 as output. So instead of pin 13, we are going to give the name of the variable. And give the mode as output. Similarly, declare the other variables. Now in the void loop function, we will write the main code. So here what will happen is, one LED will glow and then it will turn off. Again then the second LED will turn on and it will turn off. In the same manner, it will go on till the 5th LED turns on and turns off. So first of all, we will write the code to turn on the first LED for 1 second and turn it off for another 1 second. So write the function digital right, and inside the bracket give the pin number LED1 and the value as high. This will turn on the LED that is connected to pin 13 high. Since pin 13 LED is assigned to LED1 variable, so here when we write LED1, our LED connected to pin 30 will turn on. And now we will give a delay of 1 second. Similarly, we will do the coding to turn off our LED for 1 second. So instead of high, now give the value as low. Do the same coding for all the LEDs. Output for the project blinking LED using variable. So as you can see, all the 5 LEDs are blinking one by one.